In the last alternate picking exercise, we were only focusing on our picking hand. But now we're going to get our fretting hand involved with some alternate picking spider crawls. So if you feel the need for speed, go grab your guitar and just follow along. We're going to be doing 3 different exercises with 2 different spider crawl patterns to help synchronize your plucking hand with your fretting hand. Here's what the first one looks like. This one is mostly just to warm up your alternate picking muscles and introduce your brain to moving your left hand fingers while you're doing it. We're just playing frets 1, 2, 3, 4, but each one gets a down up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you move on to the next one. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and so on. We're going to start at 80 beats per minute just to warm up and work our way up to 120, and then we'll make it a little more interesting. Here's what round 2 is going to look like. We're doing the same spider crawl pattern, but now each note only gets 1 pluck. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. This one's going to be a longer one. We're going to start at 50 beats per minute so you can really get used to it, but we're going to work up to 150 beats per minute so you can really feel the speed. In the next alternate picking video, we're going to be doing scales, so round 3 is to help you prep for that. We're going to be doing a pattern that's a little bit more mixed up. Looks like this. Each note only gets 1 pluck, but we're doing this finger pattern. 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. And then we move on to the next string and do the same thing. 3, 2, 3. 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. This one's also going to be good for moving notes on up plucks, which is kind of awkward at first. In this one, we're going to start at 50 beats per minute again, but only work up to 100 beats per minute. If you want to push it faster than that, then you can just adjust the playback speed setting that's down there somewhere. If you did 110%, that would be 110 beats per minute. If you went up to 150%, that would be 150 beats per minute. So you can kind of go as fast as you want. All right, well, let's just get to it. Now would be a good time to pause the video and try everything out at your own speed a few times if you want, and then hit play when you're ready. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. All right, last one. Ready, go. All right, nice job with round 1. If you need to take a break for a sec and you're liking this video, then why not physically like the video? You know, kill some time, and it really tells me and YouTube that you want to see more videos like this. So it's pretty nice. All right, here we go. Round 2. 1, 2, ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. All right, last one. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, how was that? You starting to sweat a little bit? Well, feel free to take a break if you need to, and then we'll go on to round 3. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Hey, you're here. Nice work. Well, if you've made it this far, you've got the muscles you need to play fast. Now we just have to apply those muscles to something a little more musical. In the next alternate picking video, we're going to be trying to move through the different pentatonic scale shapes that we've learned on this channel. So maybe go do a little review of those videos and make sure you're subscribed so that you know when that video is posted. If you want some help learning songs or need some personalized feedback on anything else, I offer online lessons. Just hit me up at this email. I do discounts for online lessons and if it's in an earlier time window, so double check, might work out. All right, well, that's going to be it for this one. Here are the buttons. Click them, but only if you really mean it. Or for any other reason. Please just click them. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.